Hi, the question says summarize the rules for writing of distribution of electrons in various shells for the first 18 elements. Now we know that electrons will revolve around the nucleus in a specific orbits. Now these orbits can contain only certain number of electrons. So the maximum number of electrons that a certain orbit or a shell can accommodate is given by a certain formula. That formula is 2n square, where n is the number of shells, that is 1, 2, 3, and so on. So the maximum number of electrons that can be accommodated in different shells, that is k, l, m, and n, are given as follows. First of all, for the k shell, we know that for k shell n equals to 1. So substituting the value of n equals to 1 in the formula of 2n square, we can get the value to be equals to 2. Similarly, for the L shell, where n is equals to 2, substituting the value of 2 in 2n square, we'll get the value to be equals to 2 into 2 square, that is equals to 8. Again, for M shell, we have n equals to 3. So substituting the value of n equals to 3 in 2n square, we'll get the value of 2 into 3 square, that is equals to 18. Similarly, for the n shell, we have n is equals to 4. So 2 into 4 square will give you a value of 32. So this means that once the k shell has 2 electrons in its outermost orbit, then it won't be able to accommodate more than 2. So the next electron will transfer to the L shell, then onto the M shell, and then lastly onto the N shell. So for the first 18 elements, the first will have 2 electrons in the k shell, then 8 electrons in the L shell. So total 10 electrons will be accommodated in KL shell, and the next 8 electrons will now be accommodated in the 18 shell, that is M shell. So your electronic configuration for the atomic number 18 would be 2, 8, 8, and for any other number less than 18 would be 2, 8, plus the remaining number of electrons will now be accommodated in the M shell. Thank you.